Hey, so you're dreaming of transforming your home into an oasis? Well, my name is Eric Goodwill, and what we have done is we've created a channel for Vancouver homeowners so that you can really truly understand what's possible. Often homeowners will have questions as to, well, how is the work going to get done? Who's going to do it? How do we know if it's been done properly? So what we've done is we've created a whole channel explaining interior painting, exterior painting, carpentry, whether that's siding replacement, window repair. I know as a homeowner in Vancouver, you're often going to have an issue with understanding exactly where to start and where to end up. We've got multiple playlists explaining interior painting, exterior painting, etc. If you have any questions, if you want to reach out to us, you can go to renaissancepainting.ca. You can also subscribe or post a comment in one of the videos and we'll get back to you. Thank you very much.